morning! You guys want to see my breakfast this morning? I did have food bloggers do it. Coconut, chia seeds, cacao nibs, and then just oatmeal with cinnamon underneath. I need to mix it. We're preparing to go on a hike today. It's gonna be nice. It's not super duper sunny out, and we're just getting our lunch together. So I made some quinoa to do, some steamed veggies, and then some potatoes. I'm also making avocado and hummus. This has been like my favorite meal lately. Come here.
And grow.
That is so scary. Made it to our, not our destination, but to the start of our journey. Check it out. Again, so happy that the clouds are here because it's a hot day. Look at the little cows. There's baby ones. Take a dip? Not me. This feels so amazing. You can feel how cold the water is. Oh, by the way, I am the slowest walker. I don't know how my host family walks so fast. Goals though. We're taking a little break. Having a carrot stick.
You want to carry both pots and Eric and the two backpacks?
That would be a good video.
You can say, oh, it's a hard life as an au pair.
I had to carry everything.
And then a video from us. Hello! Achim, wolltest du noch ein Foto? Can you take a photo from Achim?
Wow, this is so pretty. I almost feel like I'm back in Hawaii because the waterfalls are amazing. Obviously it's not this warm water, but whew. Wrong way?
Wrong way.
Huh. We made it to the top. Guys, check it out. And this is just the top of the waterfall. We still have more adventures. Oh, I'm having so much fun, and I'm just so glad that they brought me on this adventure. We're almost there. Look.
Maybe somebody wants to move in again.
Construction. I thought we were the only one. Nope. I wish I could somehow vlog the entire walk up, but let me tell you, it's hard. You can hear.
Ah, look, this is the cellar. Do we go inside to cool down?
Okay, it's close. Spider! I'm sweating. Did I go out this one? Yes. Did I go out this one? For you guys? Wow. What if I dropped my camera? Poppy! Yes. I think this is calling. Made it! Ooh. Looks pretty saucy if you ask me. Yummy. Lunch has been had, and now we're exploring more. Check that out. I'm so happy I packed my lunch because it was so divine. There's this special grass you're not supposed to touch. and it feels like fire ants, and I just touched it. Ow. This hurts so bad. I cannot. So, how many years ago? 1,000 years ago? Nearly 1,000 years ago, this was a prison. Our hike is finished, and everybody ends with this like cold bath that you just walk through. Interesting. I am exhausted. Today was fun and long. Similar to this morning. Alright guys, I'm done. I am done for the day. Talk to you tomorrow and have a good night.